What does a clothing retail salesperson actually do? You've probably met one many times. But what does a clothing retail salesperson actually do all day? Let me explain it. Simply, a clothing retail salesperson works in a fashion store and helps customers choose clothes that fit their style, size, and budget. This is usually a mid-price store, not luxury, not fast fashion. The job is not just about selling, it's about advice, service, and trust. A normal day often starts by preparing the store. Clothes are folded, displays are checked, and new items are arranged. When customers arrive, the salesperson greets them and offers help, without being pushy. Some customers want advice, others just want to look around. Throughout the day, the salesperson helps with sizes and fits, suggests matching items, answers questions about materials and prices, and works at the checkout. In quieter moments, the job includes restocking, cleaning, and keeping the store organized. You don't need a degree for this job, but you do need people skills. Good clothing salespeople are friendly and patient, comfortable talking to strangers, and honest without being aggressive. Basic fashion knowledge helps, but it's usually learned on the job. The pay is usually average, depending on the country and experience. In the United States, the average annual salary is around $26,000 to $32,000. In Europe, it varies by country, but a typical range is 20,000 to 28,000 euros per year. Some stores offer bonuses for sales. Working hours often include evenings and weekends. This job is very active. You're on your feet most of the day. The stress level is moderate. Busy days, difficult customers, and sales targets can be challenging, but the work environment is social and dynamic. No 2 days feel exactly the same. This job is probably not for you if you dislike talking to people, need a quiet workspace, or don't enjoy standing for long hours. A clothing retail salesperson helps people feel confident in what they wear. It's a social, hands-on job with steady demand. Now you know what a clothing retail salesperson actually does. Would you enjoy this kind of work?